guys, welcome back. We are on to my favorite part, mascara. It takes me forever, but here are some of my tricks. So number one thing, always curl them. Curl them, curl them, curl them. Curl them, curl them. It's gonna give you extra length, extra volume. It's gonna separate the lashes and make them look flawless. I have a couple different favorite brands right now. My higher end, more expensive favorite brand is the Makeup Forever Excessive Lash. This, I think, if you go on the website, it's $25. And then for drugstore brands, the Lash Temptation by Maybelline is really great. It smells like coconut, which is amazing. And the CoverGirl Lash Blast Fusion. I feel like they purposely name their products with tongue tires. Today I'm gonna use the Total Temptation. So I always make sure that I have my mirror down below so that I'm looking down, so when I'm applying my mascara, it's not gonna have as high a chance of getting on my eyelid, because usually I have like a nice smoky eye or something that I'm trying to protect. Number one, when you pull it out, make sure that you wipe any excess off on the tube or in a paper towel or a tissue or whatever, because if you end up with too much product on your wand that ends up on your eyelashes, they're gonna clump together. This formula and this mascara was specially made to avoid clumping. As you can see, the wand is really awesome. Another trick is never pump your mascara like that, because it's going to force air into the tube, which is gonna make the tube dry out a lot faster, and that's just a waste of money and nobody wants that. I'm gonna start at the bottom of the lash and wiggle my way up to the top. That way you're coating the lashes a lot better. I always make sure that I hit my inner corner lashes with the tip of the wand. And I do the same thing for the lower lashes. So after I've applied my mascara, I'll wait like a couple minutes for it to partially dry, and then I'll go back over it again. And you know, as you can see, sometimes you just can't avoid getting mascara on the lid, especially for me. And then once it's dried a little bit, you can go in with a second coat, and that'll give you a little bit more length. To get that extra length, I will just focus on the tips of the lashes. And then once anything that you've gotten on your face by accident has dried, then you can go in with a dry Q-tip and just buff it away. And that is how I apply mascara, you guys. So if you want to stick around for one more video, it's going to be how to apply false lashes.